Setting sun approaches for its turn to rest.
I'm really excited about this. These are some new clothes I ordered from a new company by a lovely lady. So I am super excited for this. Let's see what I got. Oh, okay. I am super excited for this. My favorite color is olive, and I love camo. Look at these jeans. Look how pretty they are. Let's try them on. Okay, here's a good angle. They're really high waist. Shows them that really well, but these are super cute. I really like these. What else we got? We got these really cute high-waist jeans, shorts. I actually haven't even owned a pair of like high-waisted shorts, so I'm excited to try those on. Okay, get that out of the way. Woo! Oh, I am super excited about this one, you guys. Okay, look at this. Oh, look how pretty. I love camo, and look at this shirt. It's so pretty. I'm going to be trying all this on afterwards and showing you guys what everything looks like. Okay, let's get that out of the way. By the way, her packaging is so pretty. She really cares about this business so much. Okay. Oof. Look how pretty this shirt is. And you guys, it's like a legging material. And I didn't realize that when I bought it, that it was going to be this soft. Oh, so pretty. Put all of it on. Look at their tag. Look how pretty. And just, it's so pretty and elegant. Okay. I saw this and oh my god, I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. I'm not really too much of a light colored clothes person. I normally wear a lot of darks and blacks. I'm sure a lot of people can relate. But oh my god, look how pretty this is. This is called a duster. And it's very long. We can actually put this on right now. So easy to put on. I don't know if it goes exactly well with this outfit, but let me see if I can take this out and you guys can kind of see the whole shebang. I can't really do this by myself. Look how pretty that is. I'll take lots of photos after because I'm not really getting a good angle. Let me put this back. Can you guys see that okay? There we go. There's all their info. Don't mind my nails. I need to get them redone. Okay. Bye, you guys. I will leave a little segment in here showing me wearing the clothes so you can see what they look like on me. Okay. Bye, guys. So, trying some of these on. Sorry. I may need to exchange for a small. This is a medium, but it's just so wide, so I may get a smaller size. But it's really cute, and I know when I get a small that I'm going to be wearing it all the time. It's really cute. It has the long arms. So, I'll probably exchange this for a small. Here's the camo shirt. This is really cute. I actually like this. This is a medium, but it fits me better than the other black shirt. So it's not as form-fitting, but I love that. This is super cute. I could actually pull it off with the jeans too. I was thinking maybe they looked a little bit too different. Maybe no. Maybe the pants are way too dark. Yeah, look how cute this shirt is. It shows a little bit of midriff. A little bit. Sorry. But it's super cute. And you can definitely wear like a cute little top under it, like a little lace top if you're not comfortable. And I'm pretty sure you can untie this and just have it like that. And the real buttons is not faux buttons. It's actually real. Should probably go from the bottom, huh, not top. But look, cute. That's cute. I love this. I love these clothes. They're so nice. And they're really good quality. This is kind of like a sweater-y material. I love this one. It's medium, but I like the fit of it. The shorts. They're high-rise. They go all the way up to my belly button. They're really cute. Don't mind my thick legs. So they're really, really cute. Sorry, this is such a horrible angle, but this is like the only nice wall I can stand up against. That'll look nice. So they're really cute. I love the little rips. They're really nice quality. They are stretchy, so I'm not being squished. I really like this clothes. So I think everything fits really well. Oh, let's put on the duster. I really love this. I don't know if this will go well together, but we'll see. It says my shirt says I'm not bossy. I have leadership skills. So I'll probably just wear this with like a shirt that kind of matches the yellow or the reds in it. That'd be really cute. I can already tell this is like so cute. And then if I had like a nice elegant shirt I could wear this with, it would be really pretty. It even has slits, so when you're walking. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check Iana+Kai out. Their clothes are amazing. The jeans are really stretchy. They're high-waisted, and they have more styles. They do lives all the time, so go check them out and go support small businesses. Bye, guys. See you guys later.